Okay, this is a short video on this bipod and how you can loosen it a little bit. The problem is that they sometimes very rigid and it's hard to get them moving sideways, and that was my case with one of my bipods, and I tried to loosen this bolt. I did not succeed. I didn't want to push it too hard, so what I did, I put this whole thing into the vise using a leather glove to protect the surfaces, and here's a rubber collar. You can hopefully see it. We need to move it a little bit away and use some penetrating grease that I use, and then move this whole unit, wiggle it a little bit so you get the movement in and then you will be good to go. Mine was stuck, so there was no movement at all. After this procedure, clamping into the vise, then let me get it a little bit better shot, getting it into a vise, pulling back this rubber protective collar, putting some grease into it. I have penetrating grease. I will, all that's left over, wipe off so it won't collect any dust. But once you get it to move, you will be good to go, and I hope this will help some people who might have trouble with this bipod. I don't recall the name. It will be in the description. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.